December 25, 800 AD. In a packed Roman basilica, Charlemagne, king of the Franks, kneels, and Pope Leo III crowns him Holy Roman Emperor. It was supposed to be a moment of unity. But if you're thinking, wait, wasn't most of his empire today's France? You're right. So why, centuries later, was the Holy Roman Empire German, not French? Back in 768, Charlemagne and his brother split their father's kingdom like a birthday cake, because of the ancient Frankish law of inheritance. Spoiler: Charlemagne lucked out when his brother conveniently died young. He reunited the realm, expanded it, and became so powerful that the Pope basically begged him for help. And voila, emperor. But after Charlemagne's death, his heirs were less impressive. Civil wars tore the empire into chunks faster than you can say succession crisis. Fast forward to the 900s. The eastern part of the empire, sick of weak rulers, handed power to a new dynasty, Saxon kings, starting with Otto the Great. Otto didn't care about old Frankish bloodlines. He wanted loyal friends, and they were German. When Otto was crowned Holy Roman Emperor, the empire's heart shifted east. France, it drifted away like a boat unmoored. Meanwhile, over in West Francia, future France, a new king, Hugh Capet, took the throne in 987. He wasn't very powerful at first, but over time, the Capetians built a real French kingdom. By the time France grew strong again, the Holy Roman Empire was very clearly German, and honestly, they had their hands full, with rebellious nobles, angry popes, and endless border wars. No one had the time or energy to try and drag France back in. One last plot twist. In 1519, France almost sort of had a shot. When Emperor Maximilian died, King Francis I of France tried to win the imperial election, bribing electors like crazy. But Charles V of Spain had more cash, more soldiers, and frankly, better timing. Francis paid up front and got betrayed. And from that moment, France and the Holy Roman Empire were officially set on two very separate, very different paths forever. If you enjoyed this quick dive into history, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to History in Short, where the past comes alive in just minutes. More epic stories are on the way, and you won't want to miss them.